Welcome back to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to discuss what is meant by parameters of population and the parameters of sample. Okay, let us see what is meant by population parameters. So the statistical constant of the population are called parameters. So here we are using four different parameters. One is population size. So population size we consider capital N. Second one, population mean, it is nothing but mu. Third one we consider population standard deviation, that is nothing but sigma. And fourth one is we consider population proportion, we consider that is equal to small p. So next we are going to see what is sample parameters. So what is meant by statistics? The statistical concept of the sample are called statistics. So here we have four different parameters are there. One is sample size. For population we consider capital N. So here we consider sample size small n. Second one, sample mean. For population we get what? Mu. So here we consider x bar. Third one is sample standard deviation. For population we consider sigma. So here we consider sample standard deviation is small s. And fourth one is sample proportion. For population we consider p. So here we consider p bar. Okay. So parameters are called population and statistics parameter. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.